everybody. Sarah and I are at the mall park, is what Trent calls it. We're at the mall, and we'll show you what it's like. All these squishy little toys that they can climb, and he's off running. Not sure where he is. Oh, I found him. There's Trent hiding. Anyway, I just wanted to show Sarah's reaction to Grace.
Sit here and play with her hands. Two open hands.
And she likes her eyelashes and her eyebrows.
I do. I love them.
Yeah.
She needs a rattle in this hand, though. Mom?
She's sleeping.
A rattle.
She's sleeping.
See? It's just made for a rattle. Poor neglected Slay. Poor.
Hey, she's got an elephant.
Slay.
Did you see her elephant? I brought
it.
her.
It's not the same. Look at the hand. The hand needs a rattle.
She's a blankie girl. She's probably upset she don't have a blankie.
Uh-oh.
You better give her a blankie. Marzetta's laying on her blankie. That's her blankie. Let's take a picture of Marzetta. Isn't she adorable? She's laying in Macy's car seat. Isn't she cute? She's got awesome hair. Reddish hair. Yeah, hair. She's adorable. And look at the little Patsy keeper she made. And we're being brave. We have them out and about at the mall. So everybody will have to be excited for us. First time, right?
Yep.
First time for Sarah, too.
Yep. Definitely.
And she has an awesome blanket. So anyway.
Yep. I think it has... Yep. Where is it?
Baby or something.
Baby somewhere. It says baby somewhere.
We got our hands full.
There.
There it is. And
Baby.
we got some stuff at Goodwill too, didn't we? We'll have to do a haul video later.
Yes. First time shopping with another reborn mother. That's awesome. It's way better than doing it by yourself.
Yeah.
It's
anyway.
way more fun.
I gotta keep it short. I'll do another video later, but I can't upload long videos for some reason. So anyway, we'll talk to you later.
Bye.